Flood the rhythm, can never stop me, no. God, look, I come riding in on. Selling now, I still less watching up. God, you run in, back when you're breaking it down from here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerry Curls. I'm Geraldine. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go with some Aunt Jackie Grapeseed products, as well as a couple of her other products. I just wanted to review the Grapeseed jelly. So first I start off parting my hair into, and then I'm going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. I got a little bottle of it because I just wanted to see how it, how it is and stuff. I really like it. It's very liquidy, and it's like when it comes out, you be like, oh, but it feels so lightweight. It really like moisturized my hair. My hair was so soft like right after, and it made it really easy to go in and comb it. So once it's good and detangled and everything, I just run my fingers through to make sure. I'm going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipe Ice Curls curling jelly. So if y'all watch my videos, y'all know like I really like curling creams more than the gels, but I'm going to give it to Aunt Jackie's because I do like her flaxseed gel, so I don't see why I wouldn't like any other curling gel she would have. So I'm just going to go in with the water and just respray my hair to make sure it's pretty wet, because for a wash and go, like the best way to get that curl definition is when it's wet. So yep, just go in with the water, and then I'm going to go in with the gel, and I smooth it on my hands, and then I smooth it onto my hair, and then I'm going to go in and rake it in with my fingers. I typically don't do shingling because like once I rake it in, that's usually like good enough to get them popping curls, but like that's really up to you. You can go in and shingle after you rake, like, whatever floats your boat. So really just apply as much as you feel until you feel like, okay, this looks good. And honestly, like I'm not mad at the product. Like it's super lightweight. Like compared to the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, curling gel, like it's so much more lightweight, which I really love. From putting on the leave-in conditioner to putting this on, I really felt like there was nothing on my hair. Like I really like that feeling, not gonna lie. So now I'm just gonna show you all the repeating process with the other half of my head. So I go in with the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, and put like a little squirt of that in, and you'll see what squirt by squirt what I mean, because like it's so liquidy. And then I think I added just a little more, and then I just start to detangle my hair with my fingers at first, to work the product in. And then I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb after and just really get in there. So right now, I'm going in and I'm trimming my ends. I do this with the sections like pretty much every time I do style, because it's usually like every 2 weeks, and I feel like that's the best way to just keep your ends healthy, is to make it part of your routine. That way it doesn't build up and you don't get overwhelmed. So then I'm going back in with my water to wet my section, and then go in with the gloss jelly, smooth it on, and then after that I'm gonna just start raking it in there. So as you can see, we're almost done. Just one more section to go. And I really just wanted to show y'all one more time now how to you know, go about this process. So at that point, I was just like, I'm gonna just put it on the hair directly, and I just put the leave-in conditioner on there, make sure it gets in, and then I went in with a little more because I feel like because it was so lightweight, like I just wanted it to, you know what I mean, like really seep in. Like it felt so good on my hair. Like I was like, oh my gosh, like I need to go get a bigger bottle of it for real. So I go in with my wide tooth comb and start detangling that. Boom, once it's getting detangled, I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and just really soak back in that water and that moisture. And once I feel like, okay, I can work with this, I am gonna go in with the Aunt Jackie's Gloss Jelly. I actually forgot to show the jar, but right now I was rubbing the jelly onto my hands, smoothing it onto my hair, and then I'm just going in and raking it through. And then sometimes I do both, like I smooth rake it in, because you don't want it to be frizzy. Like that's really important for it not to be frizzy. Now, boom, we're done. So I'm just gonna go through and make sure everything is to my liking, and really just get those pieces that I think I missed. And let me just turn around for y'all so y'all can see how it looks in the back. Now, let me show y'all my shedding. It's very minimal shedding if you maintain your ends on like a regular basis, like I do. So I'm gonna go in with my bonnet dryer. So like mine is so easy to work. It has a tube that comes out the dryer itself that you just connect to the bonnet, and then I'm gonna go back in. I don't know what I was just doing there, but I'm gonna go back in just in case like it gets messed up in the bonnet. I'm gonna make my hair so that it's curly on both sides and in the front. And so I'm just gonna go back through real quick with some more curling gel. So now I'm gonna go in under the bonnet and I just tuck my ends away, like underneath it pretty much. It was pretty tight, like, yeah. So I'm gonna and then go in the back and just make sure everything is, under the dryer. And the tube came out, like the tube kept coming out, like I will say that. And I had to figure out where the hole was again and stuff, like, bruh. But for the results, like I ain't mad at it, to be honest. So yes, this is pretty much the end of the tutorial. At the end I have a clip of my results, so stay tuned, and I also talk about the products that I use and like how I feel about them. Okay, so I just got done from under the dryer. Pros and cons. Okay, I feel like first off, the Auntie Jackie's Grapeseed, it's very, very, very lightweight. Very lightweight. Like I didn't really feel it when I was putting it on, which is good. Me personally, I just don't like gels anymore when you could use creams. Like creams are just so amazing to me. Like I don't know, I feel like they would have given me these curls without the crunch. Because that's the thing about gels, it's like they give you that crunch. But in terms of definition, it's there. Yes. But like I said, it's crunchy. I had to put some coconut oil on it. And that'll decrease as you go along and, do more styles with it. But the curls are there. I really like the curls. It's bouncing. It has movement, so I'm not mad at it. And in terms of using the dryer, like, I feel like for it being as, like, it only took 35 minutes or so for it to dry, but it was so hot. Like, I was like, oh my god, I'm ready to get up under it. Like, it's really hot. But for like a quick result, not bad, because truth be told, whether I had done it under the dryer or let it air dry, it still would have looked like this. So because my hair shrinks so much, it's crazy. And so yes, and then this is the bag. It's a little damp, like down here, but I was not gonna wait for that little piece to dry. Like, when I tell you it was so hot. But yeah, so these are my reviews. I'm probably in the future gonna try the air dryer method with my creams, and then I'm also probably gonna try a braid out and a twist out with this product too. So stick around for that. And then also, I do want to point out that I did deep condition before I did the whole wash and go. I deep conditioned with some Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Repair deep conditioner. Love it. It's probably also what is attributing to the definition, because it goes nuts. And then one other product that I really like by them, which is what I just kind of use like to add some moisture back into my hair when I do different styles, like depending on, like, typically if I have like a twist out or braid out that just needs like to be refreshed, I'll go in with the coconut cream, the same line as the deep conditioner. It's their butter cream. Amazing. And so yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys like my results, and if not, tell me what you guys think of it. Tell me what you guys think I should do differently. I am definitely open to suggestions, so let me know. And thanks. Like and subscribe.